Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And now we are going to make this second video on this sketch and extrude commands. So let's open your through a parametric and go to file and take new file. After that untick this, OK, millimeter. So first of all go to sketch. So click the front datum plane, after that sketch, and here normal view or sketch view. Now here you can see here are a circle, center and point, next concentric, third one 3 point, and fourth one is 3 tangent. So let's take center and point. Draw the circle. After that double click on it, you can change the diameter of the circle. I'm gonna make this 400 diameter and enter. After that click OK and click on extrude. Here your object is extruded up to here 169 millimeter. So you can change this thickness of this object, and I wanted to make it 200 and enter. After that now, but this object is extruded only from the sketch plane. Here you can see this is our sketch plane. If you wanted to make it this extruded same on the either side of this plane, so go here you can see this second object, second option, extrude on both sides of the sketch plane. So click on it. Here you can see the changes. Now this is the 100, or you can say this is total is 200 thickness. Okay, so you can change the direction also. Here from here you can change the depth direction of extrude to other side of the sketch. You can see. Now we are in solid. Here you can see extrude as a solid, means our object in solid phase. If you wanted to make it extrude as a surface, just click on it. Here you can see the difference. Now our object is in which page? Here is a solid and here is a surface. Okay, but I wanted to make it as a solid, so click on solid. And here you can see thicken sketch. If you make it extrude as a surface, so here you can see it is in like a platform, okay, or thin sheet. If we can make it by thin sheet, so make it solid. After that here you can see thicken the sketch. If you wanted to add the thickness, you can add it. Here already it is 5.66, so you can change. I'm gonna type 10 thickness for this. This is the wall thickness of the pipe. Most of the times during working in industry, so we have to make this pipes also, and according to pipe size, what will be the wall thickness of the pipe according to schedule also. Okay, and here the symbol you can see the preview of the drawing, means what will be the effect of any command on the object or final view. So click on it, so you can see this. If you wanted to regain or edit again it, so you can resume it from here. Okay, just click on this green mark. If you wanted to edit this, just go here, extrude one, right click here, and you can see this edit definition. Click on edit definition, you can edit it. Okay, and if you wanted to remove this, you can also remove this all thickness. Click on green mark. Now again go to sketch and select the plane on the datum plane which you wanted to make the next sketch. Okay, I wanted to make on this right plane, so click on it and sketch on it. and after that sketch view. Okay, now next we learn this command. This is reference command. From this you can highlight it, like hide surfaces or locate specific point. So this reference are very plays as a very important role. Close it. After that click on the circle, draw any circle over here. After that click the cursor side away. After that OK and extrude it. Here you can see the changes in this part. Make it extrude on both side of plane. Okay, after that click on this green mark. Now click on the surface. After that click on this sketch, cause I wanted to make the third part on this surface. After that sketch view. Okay, and by reference command you can select this circle or extruded portion for reference. You can see this. After that click on the circle, draw a circle, click cursor aside and OK. You can see our sketch here. Just extrude it. Now you can see the extruded up to 261. Okay, but I wanted to extrude only up to the surface. So for this you can go here. Here you can see there is option extrude up to the next surface. Just click on it. You can see here the changes. Okay, so click on green mark. After that we also learn in this tutorial shell command. What is the purpose of shell command? Just click on shell command or click on the surface. So you can convert any solid object into shell, and you can change the thickness also over here. You can see here is only 13.07. You can change it. I wanna make it a 5 millimeter thickness. So enter it and you can see the changes. Okay, like this. After that you can change the direction also. Here is the thickness option. After that click on green mark. Okay, after that I will show you just now. For the next sketch, select again this surface, sketch it, sketch who. After that in the circle, 3-point circle, take the 3-point circle. First of all, before doing this, just take our references, close it, go to circle, click on 3-point circle. Here you can see first point, second point, and this third point I wanted tangent to the circle, so click on it. After that click on cursor aside and OK. You can see here. After that extrude it. It is extruded up to 261. Okay, but I wanted to make it only up to the surface, so just go here. You can click it. Okay, if you wanted to remove material, so you can click here and you can see this difference. Material is removed. You can change the direction also, like this, and again like this. So if you wanted to regain this, so just click on this. So you can see the changes. After that here is one more option also. So this is extrude to intersect with all surfaces. If you click on it, you can see the difference. It will take extruded up to the next surface also, intersecting surfaces. This is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, after that here is also extrude up to the selected surface. Click on it. So selected surface, if I select the surface, so it will take extrude up to this surface. If I select this surface, so it will take up to this surface also. After that, click on this, and today we'll learn reference command, the very basic of this Creo, sketch, how to sketch, how to select datum points for sketching purpose, and after that how to extrude it, and how to change the thickness of it, and after that convert to solid in or in the surfaces. After that, in the last, we also learn the shell command. So in this way, I'm making the video on each and every command, and I will upload it to my channel. So subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much.